Constantino Chiwenga, a pillar of leadership and resilience in the Zimbabwe's history, few figures stand as prominently as Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, a man of unwavering dedication. VP Chiwenga has played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's trajectory, both as a military leader and as a statesman. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyongo panapa tikunoti aiwa anenge ari kupreza VP Constantino Chiwenga anoti subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timira pahendo X yana muchazvirega mudanyora achiti following independence, retired General Chiwenga continued to serve the nation, rising through the ranks to become the commander of the Zimbabwean Defense Forces. His tenure was marked by a commitment to national and security stability, ensuring that the armed forces remained a cornerstone of Zimbabwe's sovereignty. In 2017, retired General Constantino Chiwenga emerged as a key figure in the transition that ushered in the Second Republic. His leadership during this period demonstrated his dedication to principles of constitutionalism and the will of the people. The peaceful nature of his transition underscored his ability to navigate complex political landscapes with tact and foresight. As Vice President, Constantino Chiwenga has taken on multiple portfolios, including serving as Minister of Health and Child Care. His efforts in this role has focused on improving healthcare infrastructure, addressing public healthcare challenges, and ensuring access to quality medical services for all Zimbabweans. His leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic showcased his resilience and commitment to safeguarding the nation's well-being. Chiwenga's vision for Zimbabwe is one of unity, progress, and prosperity. His emphasis on economic development, infrastructure growth, and social cohesion reflects his belief in a brighter future for all Zimbabweans. His ability to inspire and lead by example continues to make him a central figure in the nation's journey towards greatness. 2028, Gudo muOffice. Thomas Kanobuda nyongo panapa ni wana rupresa aiwa VP Constantino Chiwenga ni mapictures amurikona arutendera pa social media. Tuze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa msoro kuchitwe chipina comment section medu mutse mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.